Ladies and gentlemen, a big thank you for everybody that joined me in my first live telecast on TikTok last night. I actually enjoyed myself. I had a good time, and a big thank you. And I might go back tonight. I'm not 100% sure, but if I do, I'm either going to be cooking a T-bone steak and eating that, or I'm going to get a pork gyro from Souvlaki George. So you guys decide which one it's going to be. I'm not 100%, but it's 50-50. I'm going to try and go live and eat one of them. But let's look at these lamb cutlets for today. Let's squirt some lemon. Look at those juices, baby. And let's get an explosion. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Massive egg explosion there. Let's dip it in, stick it in the yolk. And now for the ultimate test. Risto, you magnificent bastard. Delicious. Delicious.